everyone. You're watching the THRS News Desk monthly roundup. This is Neetu Fabule with news this month. Covaxin effectively neutralizes UK variants. Over to reporter Buwa for further information.
Good evening. Covaxin effectively neutralizes UK variants. Bharat Biotech. India's first indigenous COVID-19 vaccine, Covaxin effectively neutralizes the deadly and infectious UK variants of SARS-CoV-2 virus, reducing the possibility of mutant virus escape, its developer Bharat Biotech said on Wednesday. The research paper Neutralization of UK variant VUI 2020-12-01 with Covaxin vaccinated human serum was also uploaded on bioRxiv, a server that carries preprints of research work before it is peer-reviewed. Thank you. This is Buwa Biju from the HRS News Desk.
World's oldest orangutan dies at the Oregon Zoo. Let's know more about it from reporter Pooja.
Hello everyone. World's oldest orangutan dies at Oregon Zoo. Inji, who was first brought to the Portland Zoo in 1961, was euthanized on January 9. Zoo officials said the Sumatran orangutan was 61, the oldest known orangutan in the world. As senior member of the orangutan family, she enjoyed lots of special treatments. She made many friends over the years and inspired generations to take actions, including her care staff who now rehab orphans orangutans in the wild. In zoo, Inji was kept in great shape throughout her life. She'll always be remembered for her gentle spirit. She seemed to study humans and enjoyed watching them, especially children. In wild, orangutan rarely lived in the past of age 40. The zoo said in its release, orangutans are the brink of extinction, especially in Sumatra where Inji came from. The zoo staff plans to honor Inji in opening of primate forest this spring. This is Pooja Viyar of class 9B from THRS News Desk.
19-year-old becomes the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand for a day. Over to reporter Nihara to brief on the same.
Good evening. Haridwar teen Shrishti Goswami has become Chief Minister of Uttarakhand for one day. To mark the National Girl Child Day, Haridwar teenager Shrishti Goswami took charge as the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand for one day on Sunday. She will take part in child section in Dehradun. Goswami is a student of BSc Agriculture, lives in Dawlatpur village of the district. Her father runs a small shop in the village and her mother is an Anganwadi worker. The 19-year-old had become Chief Minister of Uttarakhand's Bal Vidhan Sabha in 2018. Talking about the opportunity, Shrishti Goswami told ANI, "I am happy that I have got the privilege of becoming Chief Minister on National Girl Child Day." Thank you. This is Nihara C. Praful from the THRS News Desk.
Good evening. Pongal, a Tamil harvest festival, was celebrated online by the THRS Cubs with much happiness and enthusiasm. They engaged in a variety of activities such as listening to the story of Pongal, learning to make a column using simple geometric shapes, and also making a greeting card using pulses and grains. The little one dressed in their traditional attire was a beautiful sight. Thank you. This is Abigail of Class 3A from THRS News Desk.
Good evening. Nothing can beat the amazing kids from displaying their love for the nation even on online classes. This Republic Day, the students of the kindergarten, class 1 and class 2 showcase a variety of programs such as speech on our nation, patriotic songs and dances. The students were dressed as national leaders or in colors of the tricolors. It was a proud moment for each child as they chanted Vande Mataram. Thank you. This is Albina Kumar of class 3B For THRS News Desk.
THRS News. Adira Deepan of UKG has grabbed the Achievers Prize.
Adira Deepan of UKG has grabbed Achievers Prize at international online competition conducted by Tech4Me for storytelling.
Collaboration with China as a part of the British Council project. Virtual tour to France as a part of the British Council project for classes 5 to 8 of THRS. Interactive session held on the Mock United Nations on 25th of January 2021. Art workshop was held for the young buddies of THRS on 25th of January 2021. Let's have a look at the Pongal celebrations at THRS. The 72nd Republic Day of India was celebrated on 26th of January 2021 at THRS. That's all for today's news. Thank you and have a great day. Stay home, stay safe. This is Neetu Fabule signing off from the THRS News Desk.